In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize furniture in Planner 5D. Now, the first thing you have to do is have some furniture you want to resize. And as you can see here, I have a bar here in my main room, which is looking like that. And then if you want to resize it, you simply want to click on it. And the resizing happens down here at the bottom. You can change width, depth, and height as well. So as you can see, this is currently a very small bar. I can change this to be, for example, like 400 by, let's just do like 600, and then over by 200, just like this. Okay, so let's actually take a look at how this looks. If I go to 3D, as you can see, this is now a giant bar, which of course is not even functional anymore, but still you get the point. So you can resize everything like that. You can even go into 3D mode and you can resize in here. So of course it gives you a better view. If I try to resize this bed, for example, I can again click on it, and then here at the bottom I can change the width like this. I can change the depth like this, for example, and then I can do, and of course, change the height as well to like this. And yeah, as you can see, that's how you can resize furniture. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.